Hi, this is the Alexandra look from the 2021 collection, and to create this commercial look we used the Goldwell wand, wrapping the hair around, and don't forget to use the StyleSign heat protection. A little tip to create this look is to use bigger sections, and once you've finished curling the hair, to really brush the hair out underneath, get the model to tip her head upside down and really use your fingers to break up the shape to create this soft texture. One of my favourite products to use to create this look is Dry Boost, because it just gives it a little bit more of an airy feel and that editorial feel as well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be releasing different videos every week, so stay tuned.